Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the food recipe of colorful egg fish in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a new event for the Easter event, and in this event you can get a new food recipe like this, colorful egg fish recipe. And then in here, to get this food recipe, just tap on the globe icon and then on the revival hem. Just tap on exchange store, this one, and then just scroll down until you find this food recipe, this one. And then to buy this food recipe, you need 15 Spirit Bunny Pom Pom. And if you don't know how to get this Spirit Bunny Pom Pom, you can just check the tutorial link in the description to watch the tutorial. And after you have the 15 Spirit Bunny Pom Pom, just tap on purchase and you will get this new recipe. Next, you can just cook it on your stove. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.